If you felt something move gently inside you during this video, a spark of joy, a moment of peace, or maybe just a soft smile, then I invite you to help others feel the same. By clicking like, subscribing, and tapping the notification bell, you're doing more than supporting this channel.
The mirror is your secret stage. Honey, let me tell you something that might change the way you move through the world. Your mirror is not just glass. It's your private stage, your rehearsal space, your temple. Every woman who has ever learned how to walk in heels, how to tilt her head just right, or how to soften her voice has done it first in front of a mirror. And you, darling, are no different. When you stand there facing yourself, it's not about criticism. It's not about what's wrong. It's about possibility, about the woman inside you waiting to be seen. Movement as seduction. Start with something simple, walking across the room. Don't rush, don't stomp, glide. Imagine there's music in the air, a rhythm only you can hear. Step into it. Swing your hips just a little. Let your arms float at your sides like silk ribbons. Look at yourself in the mirror and ask, would I want to watch me? The answer will be yes, once you surrender to the movement. Practice turning around slowly. Practice bending down to pick something up, not like a mechanic, but like a ballerina. Every gesture can be sensual if you let it. Sensuality isn't about exaggeration. It's about intention, about making even the smallest movement look deliberate and feminine. Voice, darling, voice. Now let's talk about the music that comes from your lips. Your voice is part of your femininity. Stand before the mirror and close your eyes. And breathe. Let the air flow into your chest, not your throat. When you speak, soften the edges of your consonants. Smile a little while you talk. A smile travels through the sound. Say something playful to yourself. Well, hello, gorgeous. Hear how it lands. Don't push it. Don't fake it. Just let it float. Record yourself on your phone if you dare. Listen. Adjust. Play with pitch, yes, but more importantly, with tone. Feminine voices carry warmth, rhythm, and musicality. You don't have to sound like a soprano. You just need to sound like you, dressed in silk. Mirror rituals. Every day, give yourself 10 minutes of mirror time. Not vanity, ritual. Start with posture. Shoulders back, spine long, chin slightly down. Look at how instantly elegant you appear. Then practice gestures. Brushing hair behind your ear, applying lipstick, crossing your legs. Slow it down. Watch yourself. Refine.
If you felt something move gently inside you during this video, a spark of joy, a moment of peace, or maybe just a soft smile, then I invite you to help others feel the same. By clicking like, subscribing, and tapping the notification bell, you're doing more than supporting this channel.